Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best Bifold wallet in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Satali Slim Wallet for Men Leather Money Clip Men's Wallets, RFID Blocking Front Pocket, Bifold Wallet Minimalist Credit Card Holder with Gift Box. Functional and slim design. Satali Money Clip Wallet measures 4.4 x 3.2 x 0.47 inches, offers up to 12 card pockets and add window. The slim wallet is ideal for carrying business cards, credit and debit cards, bills, etc. The outside notch allows you to pull out the cards easily. SAFE2 Light PRIVACWASEQRTV. This slim wallet for men is equipped with German Institute certified RFID secure technology, a unique metal composite engineered specifically to block 13.56 ms or higher RFID signals and protect the valuable information stored on RFID chips from unauthorized scans. NTG-ATED Money CLI. The refined metal money clip allows you to clip several bills inside your wallet. Number 4. CRMan Brands Men's Money Clip Wallet. RFID blocking slim front pocket wallets for men, full-grain leather RFID minimalist card holder. Slip this slim wallet in your front pocket. The Navigator credit card holder wallet is the handsome front pocket wallet you were looking for. It's a compact, minimalist wallet by design, but holds much more than you'd expect. RFID blocking and crafted from full-grain leather. He's a keeper for life. Holds up to 10 cards. It's incredible how much this minimalist wallet for men fits. Inside you'll find 4 card sleeves to hold 3 to 7 cards, plus a clear ID card slot for your license or photo. On the outside, 2 quick access slots are for your most used cards, with a thumb cutout for even quicker access. Full-grain leather wallet, ages like a fine whiskey. He's the only slim card holder wallet in this style, made from 100% full-grain leather. Number 3. Extra Parliament Leather Wallet for Men LWG-Certified Minimalist Wallets, with RFID blocking layer slim and modern aluminum wallet, with push button for quick card access, Napa Black. This minimalist wallet gives you easier access to your cards and comes with built-in RFID data protection to prevent wireless theft. Forget about rummaging through a Bifold wallet. By using our patented card ejection mechanism, you can instantly pop out your cards at the click of a button. The Extra Parliament wallet is a men's metal trigger wallet, handcrafted from premium top-grain leather, tanned under silver-rated LWG-Certified protocols, and 6063 T5 aluminum. Durably designed for daily use, this wallet requires minimal upkeep for a lifetime of use. Store up to 10+ cards, fitting 4 to 6 in the data-protected card holder while keeping a slim profile. You can also store extras in the cash strap and additional hidden pockets. The Parliament is compact and slim without sacrificing storage space. Number 2. Hide and Drink Leather EDC Pocket Wallet, Cash Organizer, Card Holder, Accessories, Handmade includes 101-year warranty Bourbon Brown. Each one of Hide and Drink's rustic, durable leather products is made with care and craftsmanship, with every item handmade to the highest standard. Our confidence in our products knows no bounds, so we include each product that you purchase with a 101-year warranty. We aim for nothing but 100% satisfaction when it comes to our products. So, if you're not satisfied, just get in touch with us, and we'll help you as quickly as possible. All of Hide and Drink's products are hand-cut and handcrafted using the highest quality of leather that you will find, namely full-grain leather. The quality of this leather ensures a long-lasting life and durability. After time and use, the leather will attain a beautiful and unique patina that will show age and grace. Number 1. Muradian Men's Wallet Tactical Bifold Wallets for Men Metal RFID Blocking Aluminum Money Cards Holder Gifts for Men. The Muradian Men's Wallet. When you told us how much you loved Muradian and Tactical Wallet for Men, but wanted one for taking cards easily, we designed and did one. RFID Blocking Wallet. You don't have to sacrifice the great looks of a leather credit card wallet for security. RFID blocking protection is given to the Muradian Minimalist wallet due to the metal frame, so you can use it safely as a travel wallet, cards holder, or front pocket wallet. Top Space Aluminum Frame. The frame made of aviation-level aluminum material, anodic oxidation craft, and smooth chamfer design, Metal texture frame image design reflects elegance and fortitude.